Hello and welcome. To continue from where we left in the previous tutorial video, let's have a look over here. Okay, we have explored VLOOKUP. I've already explained all the arguments, the parameters within this VLOOKUP function, and there is a complement, should I say, a sister function to this VLOOKUP, and that's called a hlookup. So the difference is, instead of the legend being arranged in a columnar manner, it is now in a row. So how do we reference? Very easy. Okay, still the same. hlookup, and of course the lookup value consistent with the parameters within function of VLOOKUP. The first one refers to the target value. Okay, and this table array, we will have to refer to this. Note that this target value will always match to the first row. Okay, so the return row can be any other rows. So for now, for this case, it is referring to the second one. Okay, let's put in 2, and sure enough, you will get C. But as we have seen previously, if you want to apply to the whole row over here, the whole column over here, you will have to edit it further. You need to lock this legend table. Otherwise, as you fill in with series, Excel will wrongly guess the legend table because it will be trying to shift it down. Okay, you will try to shift it down. So let's just try to lock this table for now. Okay, and we won't see errors. Same result, consistent, because our information, our legend, they are the same. Okay, so what happens with, okay, let's just try to copy this over. Okay, oops, Excel has wrongly guessed it again. H18. It should be H. It should be I. It should be H, not I. So let's just put in H, and you should see it correctly filled in. Now, we have only explained 1, 2, 3. 3 of these parameters we have not gone into the fourth. So by default, if you don't fill this in, it will be an approximate lookup, meaning if the value is 50, Excel will try to guess which category it belongs to. Now, since this is 50, it should fall in between of 40 to 60, right? Now, Excel will just fall back to this one. Yeah. So let's just say that if I want to make it a exact match, what happens? All right, it will return you a false. In fact, all of them will be false. Why? Because it is looking for an exact match over here. Okay, if it doesn't exactly match this, then it will be just returning an error, not available, it cannot be found. So yeah, that's it for this video.